motion that leaves us behind. The days pass, I count everyone, and I'm a sailor, fighting the waves as they break on the hull, pushing me back to the shore. If once I could fight it, I'd row to horizons where sunsets burn bright, push on and push into the night. But now I've been pushing too long and my arms are tired. Just rest, watch the clouds pass by, and all we need is a little bit of trust, a little bit of sight, a little bit of motivation to live, to love, to cry, to continue through this life. I've read through the pages of all that's been written on how we should spend the time that we have in the sun. I've said it with sages that displace the distance from now to the
strength in all my weakness. You're the healer of my wounds. Joy instead of mourning. Teach my heart to follow you. My guide ever before me. Speaking light upon my path, forever here around me. Yeah. Fear won't overwhelm your love, and I know you're the King who has called me by name. From now till forever, when you take me home, Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, shout them on the mountain top. Jesus, I will sing your praises forevermore.